Once they find you worthy as a friend, they will begin to open up. You will see that that child that you are looking at is so difficult, is so arrogant, is so this. You will be very calm. If I see such a person and I talk to the person will calm down. Because my approach will be different from yours approach. Yeah, giving her attitude or him attitude. Yeah, the approach is as a result because you thought he or she is possessed and therefore is not of good spirit. Therefore, that's your mindset. The Obanje people sense negative energy. So once they see that negative thought, negative vibration, negative aura from you, they will begin to avoid you. That's why sometimes they will tell you a word as if two of you are enemies. Because you don't understand the person, and the person is seeing you as enemy. So he can talk you as one. He will ask him, I thought we are friends. Why do you talk to me? He saw your true being. He or she saw that you are only pretending. So don't take any Obanje for granted. Take an Obanje for granted, their own ignorance, and you will regret it. Let me stop here. If you have any question concerning Obanje, like I told you, Obanje personality, I have told